My phone went off. You gotta literally watch your step up here. It's 2:45 p.m. Phone just went off. No, I didn't do this in the cold. They wanted me to do this shit in the cold, but I ain't do this shit in the cold. And my boots just got hit with a dust full of iron dust. Ain't no way, no, ain't no way in hell to have this much iron on me. So yeah. Here go oh, there go police, plain clothes. I don't know why they driving their pickup trucks, but yeah. Look at this school. Closed down. What y'all do to this school? Y'all just shut it down. I don't know what happened to the school. I don't know the name of the school. I don't know what they did. I don't know if they shut it down. But here's another school. Propose. He using switches. He literally just used that shit. Like, he probably got a helmet on and everything. Got a bulletproof helmet. He said, I'm waiting. It went through. Dickhead shit. Yeah, here got a new. Some people do sleep over here. As you can see, Popos. So let me go to this. Let me go in this area. Let's just check what we got over here. So yeah, there's some newer graffiti. I think I'm paying attention to some new graffiti. I will take a picture of it. They're trying to make me pass out over here like it's a high altitude. But my breathing says otherwise. So yeah. Still got a bed up in there, little bed. People used to sleep over here. Got tired, they got wanted the money. I mean, wanted like some clean food to eat. Some shit like that. You got a lot of shit up here, you see. Decent. Somebody from all the way over there watching me. Kinda know. You kinda know when somebody watching your ass. They be watching you like a motherfucker. That's some new shit. I don't think I could go over here. Ain't no way to get down, it's only up. Let me check. Ain't no way to get down, it's only up. Let me check. So yeah, ain't no way to get down. Only up. Up and away. Is there still some iron on that track left? I don't know. See, there's some old shit down here. But somebody used to live here. You can make this area a comfortable living area, a living space. You can't just put anything cheap over here. Like a comfortable living space. Anybody judge the jump? Oh, man. I ain't even taking a picture of it. That's a 0.5 hospital route. They got some newer shit up here. My bad. I'm not saying mine bad. I got tripped over something. It's automatic. It's saying some shit automatic shit. Damn, my bad. Some shit. Got some decent shit over here. Trying to put more effort into this area. since you ain't gonna get cut down or anything. You see the little arc. I ain't gonna take a picture of it, but yeah. Oh, there go AAA. He's as a guy up there. I mean, there's no security to be up here, so he up here. AAA man. Ain't nothing that got anything to do with AAA. But they been cutting down. You can see they been cutting over here. Trying to sprinkle down. Let me trying to stabilize some shit. Is they gonna get you when you get to the end? They probably will. Put his badge number on Facebook. Yeah, I'll do that. Somebody do that shit to me. I'll put his name and his badge number on Facebook if he do that. I'll do that. I mean, it's public. His information is public, so you know, nothing wrong with putting his information down on some public shit. This area usually is hot, cause this is Racine. So this area is usually hot. Some shit. So yeah, I'm walking the whole length. There you can see undercovers out here. Going to Racine. No, going past Racine. And it's dropping. He on the phone with the police. I said, yeah. More than likely he on the phone with the police. Yeah. That's more likely. He under the bridge. I think he parked under the bridge. I'm going further than that. Let me there go FedEx truck. A couple blocks down. How's it like some? Oh, let me check something. They make me like lightheaded. Did I say the shit? I'll say. Okay. When I did it, I didn't quick save. Shit. Didn't save everything. It's loading in. What the fuck? Let me say this shit. Oh. People all the way over there. He said, wait for that call. He said, if they ain't moving around, follow me. They wait for that call. Trust me, they know where I'm going. Little snitch ass. Wait for them to call their phone and say something happened to them. Then you act like you give a fuck. Then you act like you give a fuck. Shit. Yeah. Hey. Somebody put their dog right here. Put their dog right here, bro. Another dog type. Somebody put their dog right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go around and come up. I ain't got time. Put the dog. They put their dog up here, bro. I ain't got time for that shit. So, if I put a dog up here, that's what I'm on that. I don't know what's wrong with the dog. His eyes red. He's I grab a stick. Oh, I'm ready. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to go down and come back up. Where the fuck put the dog right here? So what I'm about to do, I'm about to come down and come back up. I said, bro, don't do that shit. I ain't got time to play with no dog. I think this is strong enough. So let's go back. Let's go down here. Let me go down here. No, I ain't even playing. So, I don't know who put their dog right here, but it's right here. I don't know who dog that is. I don't know who put their dog right here. So, let's go. We'll go around. I'm about to go around here. I'm about to. Bro, I ain't got time for no fucking no dog. So let's go this way. So, let's go this way. We go to the next block. I don't know who put their dog right there. See if coming down here. He said, this gonna go up there. So what I'm basically gonna do, I'm gonna go up here. I got time to play with your motherfucking dog. Who's over here though? So I'm meaner than that motherfucker. So let's go. So they doing all this shit. I don't know for what reason. And they zapping, brought their dog out. That's what they do. You know, they're gonna have an investigation if something. If I get bit, they're gonna be on the investigation. They already know that. Oh, they're gonna be investigated. You're gonna be investigated like a motherfucker. You and everybody else. You gotta tell you, them and everybody else. How about smoking somebody else that's gonna be in jail, nigga? Walking around that goddamn dog. So we're gonna go this way. So you can go back up. Hell yeah. So let's go this way. Dog is territorial. Let's go back up here. So they're gonna go to jail. Hey, I don't know who brought the dog up there, but going back up here. Somehow get him. Second. I don't know where that motherfucker went. So let's go. I'm like, I'll shoot you. Like, you know how some people look at you, you put a cigarette in his mouth, like, I'll shoot you, nigga. Like, why? I don't got time to play with nobody fucking dog.